And that is right. We have a new intro, a new channel, and a new project. Quick spin around, spin around. Bought this bad boy last week. Sorry I ain't made a video on it earlier. I've been starting my new job. I've got a bit of a brutal shift pattern that I've been working with, but finally back at it. And this is what we got to play with. So I got this. It is a non-runner. Yeah, I got it last week off a bloke who owned it. I think he said a few months. He was just using it to get to work and back. And then all of a sudden it started kind of cutting out on him. And now it won't start at all. So I'll show you what it does. If it's doing anything at all. There you go. So look, the ignition's a bit dodgy for a start. If that'll focus. If I wiggle that around. There you are, look. Oh. Oh. So yeah, that's something. But, as you can see, nada. And he said he replaced a bunch of electrical stuff on it, but he still thinks it's an electrical problem somehow. But I don't know. We'll see what happens when we tear into it. And what we got under the seat. So these are some bits that we got with it. That's a full stand. Let's have a look at that. He said he's taken this off because I think that hole's corroded out a bit. And I think he said it was rattling when he was riding along. We've also got that. He's put a new one on there, a new HT lead and a new spark plug, because he thought that might have been an issue. Come on, focus. Yeah, he thought that might have been an issue there, letting a bit of something in. But I also noticed as well, the bend, not so much, that could have happened any time, but the corrosion is interesting. That makes me think, what's the state of the other end like? That's a bag of bits for the full stand, and that's another spark plug that's brand new. So that's what we got with it. I got all the paperwork as well, which is nice. Got a full logbook and all of that, so I ain't got to worry about anything there. No idea how this was in there. There's the fuel. There's a little bit in there, I don't know, yeah, you can see that. There is a bit. And it smells like petrol, which is good. I like these seat locks, I ain't had one of these yet. One on the actual seat. What else? Hello, it's Dan from In The Garage here. I thought I'd interrupt that Muppet outdoors there, just whilst I was doing bits. Because he didn't even think to check the brake light. So there you go. The brake light's working at the minute. That's on the night light. If we pull the rear lever, look at that. Front lever, wonderful. And that's all you need. Anyway, we'll let him ramble on now. Phone stopped recording for a second there. Back to it. All the electrics, I'm quite sure, do work once the key works. So we've got a light switch there. Daylight, nighttime, working perfect. I think that needs to be full beam. Yep. What else we got? Indicators. Is it working on the dash? Yep. Front. Back. All good. And there's the right one. All good. Does the full beam dash work? I don't know if you can see this on camera. Not really, but that is working. And the horn. Oh, there we go, we've got a horn. And once the focus comes back, there we go. So, got lucky with the electrics again, which is always nice. Got to whack the full stand on it. It does have some MOT left. It's MOT till September, I think. Which is another cheeky bonus. So basically, all I've got to do is get this thing running, and I can jump straight on it and start playing about. I do kind of like the shape of it and the size. It's only little for a 125. They do a 50 version of this as well. So it's kind of nice to have the extra power in a smaller body. And I sort of like its boxy shape, you know. I like the boxy front light. That's cool. Paintwork's a bit of a interesting one. That's pretty battered. It's obviously slid down the road at least once, or been dropped a couple times or something like that. But overall, I really do like it. Ah yeah, the back brake as well, I noticed that. Rolling it around, it's basically nothing, whole back brake right there. That's where my back brake comes on and off. So that's going to need some looking at. But I will be, of course, pulling everything off of this, I reckon. Airbox, CVT cover, that'll need painting, obviously. All the reflectors and that will come off. But yeah, the best part about this one is my missus likes it. So hopefully I can convince her to jump on and learn how to ride. But that's it really, you know, just an introduction to the new one. That's what I'm going to be working on for the next few videos. Yeah, not much else to say really. I'm looking forward to it. Interested to see what's going on in there. Right, stay tuned. Catch you later.